Hello and welcome back to Javed Thakur's vlog. So, to all my viewers, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, namaste, and I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Today in this vlog, I am going to show you my old Sena 10C Evo and my new camera, which is 50C quantum technology. It is powered by Harman Kardon speakers. So let's get into the video without any delay. So yes, so basically this is my 10C Evo which I have been using for almost a year. As you can see this device, okay, it is quite strong, and but only the issue with this what I have found so far that it is not waterproof. They are water resistant, which is a big minus point to own such devices and pay such a premium price. And to conclude with the 10C Evo is, I will tell you the plus points. Plus is the camera resolution is superb. It does a beautiful sparkling job. The voice quality is amazing for the vlogs. And minus point to this particular camera is number one, it does not has a C port for charging the fast charge. Second, it does not has mesh network, which is the most required thing at as when you go for rides. Third is it is water resistant and not waterproof. So let's get into the next, which is the 50C, the most awaited. So finally my wait is over for the Sena 50C, which is sound by Harman Kardon. What I love about this particular device is it has a mesh network, it has a USB-C charge, it has voice command, means voice recognition. You can do basically hey Siri, hey Google, and it will obey your commands. Then it is the mesh network, which is the most required thing for me at this moment, which I was waiting to have something with I can communicate with my fellow riders. So let's get into the box and find out what exactly is in this box other than the 50C. It has a beautiful box and beautiful packing. So yes, you get this mount for your helmet. Now there are three different mounts which they have given in this helmet. Basically the first one, which is this one, then the second one, which is this, then there are 3M vinyl double-sided stickers to adjust where you can put the mic and the speakers. This is Wi-Fi adapter. First reason for charging it, second to update the firmware in the 50C. This is the boom mic. It gets two mics, one boom mic and one stick-on mic. And this is the almighty Harman Kardon speaker, which comes for all the 50 series of Sena. So this is something which has attracted most of the people to buy the Senas. Now let's install it into my AGV helmet and let's see what is the quality and how it performs. So this beautiful device is going to go onto my AGV helmet. So finally I have installed the Sena 50C. As you can see, it's installed onto the helmet, and I'll be testing this on the bike and the quality, and will soon give you a review. So I'm here, guys, now basically recording on, you have seen my previous blogs, that's all on my 360 and Sena 10C Evo, but today I'm trying with my 50C, which is much more advanced, as in it has mesh technology built in, and so I'm just testing this on for voice quality. We'll be doing a test for with a group ride when I'm connected to my fellow riders. So let's see how this goes, and I hope it will be satisfying and all the value for money what I have paid. Basically this device cost approximately 44,999 rupees, but I got it through a friend. Basically his name is Sena. So he has a motorcycle store from accessories to all the required things, whatever you can think of on bike. So he got me an excellent deal. So if in case you're interested into buying this device, you can send me a message. I will send you his contact number and where to get him, what's his location. Okay, so till then, take care, ride safe, and see you soon in my next vlog.